Nike is a global leader in athletic footwear and apparel, has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation and performance. Nike is known for its continuous efforts to innovate. This includes developing new technologies and designs that improve athletic performance. Their products are often at the forefront of sports technology, helping athletes achieve better results. So, the company's commitment to sustainability and cutting edge technology, such as the Flyknit technology, has set it apart in a highly competitive market. This case study examines Nike's strategies to maintain its market dominance and address emerging challenges.
Issues and concern. Nike faces several issues, including intense competition from brands like Adidas, New Balance, and Skechers. Additionally, the company has been involved in numerous patient disputes, particularly over its Flyknit technology. These legal battles highlight the complexities of protecting intellectual property in the athlete footwear industry. The issues of Nike is the competition of every every brand brand company like Adidas, New Balance, and Skechers. Nike involved in a numerous patent dispute, particularly the Flyknit Flyknit technology. Flyknit technology, the benefits of their their invention or innovation, like the benefits is lightweight, reduced material usage, and seamless fiber stitches to comfort and breathability, to enhance airflow and support the strategic and flexibility. It can help the customers if they use these shoes on Nike, which is this is the issues and concern of the Nike, because the battle of their company is the athletic footwear, because it enhance the way you wear that kind of shoes. And that's all. Thank you. Good day, everyone. My topic is the statement of the problem in Nike company. The core problem Nike aims to address is maintaining its market leadership amidst fierce competition and legal challenges. Specifically, how can Nike continue to innovate and protect its proprietary technologies while navigating the competitive landscape? So the main problem of Nike company is a lot of competitors, like big company, which are Adidas, Reebok, Under Armour, New Balance, Asics, and Puma. These are their competitors. But in that case, Nike company did not surrender. They make and find way to solve their problem. Nike company continue to innovate because Nike company is a unique company when it's come to their product, and also to convince a lot of customers to buy their products. And that's all. Thank you. That's the part of my topic. I hope you'll understand and gain knowledge about my report, and that's all. Thank you.
ACA 1 and ACA 2 alternative course of action. So the term ACA stands for alternative course of action, which are potential solutions to a problem identified in a case study. These solutions are typically developed after a thorough analysis of the situation, often using a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to identify the key factors. Description: expand product lines to reduce dependency on specific technologies. Steps involved: invest in R&D for new products, explore new market segments, and enhance marketing efforts. Resources required. Increase R&D budget, marketing campaigns, partnerships with athletics influencers. Potential outcome, broader market reach, reduce impact of legal disputes on overall business. ACA 2, diversifying product portfolio. Diversifying a product portfolio is a crucial strategy for business seeking to achieve sustainable growth and mitigate risk. It involves expanding the range of products or services offered to tap into new markets, cater to a wider customer base, and reduce dependence on a single product line. This strategy can be particularly beneficial for startups and small businesses as it allows them to navigate market fluctuations and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Description: enhance legal strategies to protect intellectual property. Steps involved: increase patient feelings, pursue aggressive legal actions against infringers, and collaborate with legal experts. Resources required: legal team expansion, increase budget for legal actions. Potential outcomes: better protections of innovations, reduce infringement cases.
Based on the analysis, the best course of action is to diversify the product portfolio, which is the ACA number 2. This strategy not only mitigates the risk associated with legal disputes but also opens new revenue streams and strengthens market presence. By continuously innovating and exploring new market segments, Nike can maintain its competitive edge.
Invest in R&D. It means need ka maglaan og kwarta ani kay need mo siya matun-an or mapag-aralan para sa pag-imbento para sa mga new product or technologies. For example, imong negosyo is pagbaligya og sapatos, so pwede ka mamuhunan sa R&D para makabuhat ka og lig-on na shoes o mas komportable na sapatos. Market expansion is morning mangita sila og customer na mopalit sa ilang negosyo or product na ilang gipang baligya. For example, nagnegosyo ka og sanina diri sa Pinas. So pwede pud ka mamligya og sanina sa laing gawas sa Asia para mas maila pa imong negosyo ug daghan ang mambalit sa imong mga sanina. Partnership. Maoning mangita ka ka-partner sa negosyo nimo or makipag-negotiate ka. For example, nagtinda kag sapatos, pwede ka makipag-negotiate sa kanang mga sikat na atleta para mag-endorse sa imong new product, sa imong sapatos. Monitoring and evaluation. Gina-monitor nimo imong product if kani ba siya nga product imong ginabaligya is kanang uyon ba imong mga customer ani or napagtan-aw nila nga lig-on ba or nga na i-monitor nimo always ba or kanang hatagan nimo og oras. Halimbawa imong ginabaligya is sapatos, so dapat imong pagbaligya is kanang mauyon imong customer nga manindutan ba or kanang pagtan-aw pa lang nila nga kani nga sapatos lig-on. So dapat monitor nimo siya, di man everyday pero kanang ginalaan nimo siya time ba. And also kanang gina-check nimo if sa isa ka adlaw pili imong nabaligya or ihatagan gyud nimo siya time kung pili imong nabaligya nga shoes.